Hello everyone, I am here with a new topic of class 11th. Subject is account. Chapter 2nd, Fundamentals of Accounting. Our today's topic is meaning and need of accounting standard. What is the meaning of accounting standard? Accounting standards is a selected set of accounting policies or broad guidelines regarding the principle, and means accounting standards are the written statement issued by institution of accounting for providing uniform accounting rules and guidelines which are followed by accountants, and it is also a code of conduct imposed on accountants by custom, law, and or a professional bodies. That is the meaning of accounting standard. Accounting standard means a systematic rules and regulations which are followed by the accountants to preparing our accounting books at the end of our financial year. So now let us know about the need of accounting standard. Why we need a accounting standard? Then the first point is uniformity of financial statement. Accounting standards ensure uniformity in the preparation and presentation of financial statement by removing the effect of diverse accounting practices and make financial statement more comparable and meaningful. Accounting standard means that is the uniformity of rules and regulations, and these rules and regulations through these rules and regulations make financial statement, and that is this financial statement is more comparable and meaningful for the financial for the organization and the other third parties. So uniformity is the main need of accounting statement, means standardization provide a uniformity to make financial statement. Second one is helpful to auditors. Auditors means which is audit our organization, which a person to audit our organization means check our all the records, all the transactions. So accounting standards is helpful to auditors. The auditors follow accounting standards when they prepare financial statement. In the case of deviations, it is deviation their duties to make adequate disclosure in their reports so that the users of such statements may be aware of such deviations, and the auditors will be free from court cases and various penal provisions under the company law in cases of inducted frauds. So financial accounting standards are the helpful to auditors which provide accurate and true financial positions and check the true and financial position, which is helpful for the long term basis. Next one is a global business. Business in present day world has assumed a global entity. A number of multinational corporations are working in different countries, having different currencies, rules, and practices these days. If every country is a liberty to follow its own practice, external trade cannot develop smoothly. So, accounting standards provide a set of rules which will be a lot of helpful to make our to prepare our financial position. So the international accounting standards are the need of the day for fair and smooth flow of international business. Next one is for removing ambiguity. Means a certain accounting terms and practices suffers from some confusions. For example, valuation of stock, items of current liabilities, method of depreciation. These confusions can be easily be removed by the international accounting standards, because international accounting standards provide methods of depreciation, means which type of depreciation rate of you adopt to your depreciate your assets and what is the valuation of stock means a market price or a cost price, whichever is less. So that are the many examples the accounting standard provides for removing the confusions. Next one is for preventing accounting scandals. In the meaning of accounting terminology is inexact, like they create a confusions. It gives a rise to accounting scandals resulting in failure of business. For example, the term price means cost price, sales price, purchase price, printed price, trade price, market price are the many more meaning of prices, but everybody takes the meaning of his own choice. So standardization of accounting provide a terminology, so they remove the confusions about this type of terminology in accounting. So that are the need of accounting standards. Thank you.